Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a ACV, apple cider vinegar, and baking soda rinse for my hair. It's been a month, so every month I'm going to be doing it. So I did it last month and it came out pretty crazy. But you know, since I go to the beach and I get sand in my hair and all that crazy stuff, that's why I do this. So every month I do it, so stay tuned. Well, I'm getting some hot water in here and then I'm going to pour it in my sink in my bathroom. Alright, so we're going to add some of this in there. And you guys, you do not want to mix both of these at once. You do them both separate. A lot of people, like some people are putting both in one. That is how you destroy your hair. You want to do them separate. Alright guys? Do not blow your head up. Alright, I'm going to put a timer on my phone for 15 minutes. You want to start that timer for them? Alright. Alright guys, so you soak your hair as so. And make sure it's all soaked in wet, and then just let it sit in there. Give it a little scrub if you want. Squeeze, a little scrub and squeeze. So what this is supposed to do is any dirt, any lint, anything that's in there, it loosens up all the dirt and all that, and it falls out. So 15 minutes, you guys will see me.
And then we'll get back to you in a second.
Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and here we go. We're gonna take my hair out of this shit. And you guys are about to see some ill shit, alright guys? Everybody go like this. Make sure we squeeze all that out. Water guys, this is a month, alright? Okay, look at this. Alright, this is a month. And this is because I went to the beach. If you don't go to the beach as often and don't get sand in your hair, then I don't know, you probably don't have to do it every month. But check this out. Check all the dirt on the bottom. I recommend doing this once a month. And if you have regular hair, then you can do it too. It's actually good for your scalp. But alright, so after you do that, you're going to want to turn on some hot water. Alright, you're going to want to rinse out your hair real quick. Here it's going to be actually drier than a dryness. So I'm only going to pour maybe like that much, a little more. Okay. What we're going to do is, it's going to smell guys, it's not going to be pleasant. Alright, so this is probably the worst part because it's going to smell for a little bit. Well, so this is the little bit of apple cider vinegar. And like I said before, you do not want to mix them both because it could destroy your hair. That's why you want to do them separate. I've seen people do them, mix them both at the same time. Don't want to do that. Make sure it at least touches it. Get it all up on your scalp. Alright. And we're going to set a timer again for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been sitting for 5 minutes in my hair, the baking soda, the apple cider vinegar. So we're going to wash that out with some hot water. So keep doing it, probably 3-4 times. Throw down some cold water. I'd say don't use the same towel you use to do everything else in. Got a new one. Rinse it here. Alright guys, and if your hair still smells, keep going under hot water, redo it, and just keep going, and spray a little bit of that stuff. But this is cleaning your dreadlocks with Tallfrenchy, TF, True Facts. So peace out, hope everyone enjoys their day.